Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. To every parent who lies awake at night, wondering if you're doing enough, who sees your child navigating a world of digital noise and feels the old ways just aren't sticking, who is caught between the fear of pushing too hard and the terror of letting go, this message is for you. If what you just heard resonates with you, then you've found your way to a parent's compass. This isn't just another parenting video series. This is a sanctuary for the Muslim parent who feels that unique weight of responsibility in this overwhelming age. We know the feeling. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Every one of you is a shepherd and is responsible for his flock." And this era, with its smartphones, its algorithms, its relentless pressures, feels like the most complex pasture we've ever had to shepherd in. But here is the most important thing you will hear today. Your anxiety is not a sign of failure. It is a proof of your deep, deep love and your sense of amana, of sacred trust. This series, A Parent's Compass, is born from a simple, powerful idea. We cannot control our children's faith, but we can curate their environment. We can become their guides. We can shift from being judges of their Islam to being coaches for their faith. Our goal is not to master control. It's to become a safe harbor and a living model of the faith we want to see blossom in them. Over the coming weeks and videos, we will walk this path together through 4 clear parts. First, we'll lay the family foundation. We'll talk about how to become the emotional and spiritual anchor your child needs, how to teach Tawheed through the language of daily life, and how to make the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, their most beloved hero. Second, we'll build the pillars right here at home. We'll get practical about Salah, Zakat, and Ramadan, not as chores, but as a shared family journey of meaning. Third, we'll tackle nurturing character in a digital world. We'll develop strategies for digital citizenship with an Islamic heart, navigating friendships and building your child's resilience against doubt and struggle. And finally, we'll focus on you, the parent's toolkit, because you cannot pour from an empty cup. We'll talk about fueling your own spirit, building your support village, and keeping the long view, from control to influence to legacy. Each video will end with one clear, actionable step, one thing you can do this week to start shifting the atmosphere in your home. No overwhelm, just progress. We are on this journey together. You are not a lone soldier. You are following in the footsteps of the parents of this ummah, Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam and Hajar. He placed ultimate trust in Allah's promise. She ran between Safa and Marwa, striving with every breath until the miracle came. You are doing both. You are trusting in Allah while striving with every practical means you have. So tie your camel, do your part with love and wisdom, and then place your trust in Al-Rahman, Al-Rahim, the most merciful of those who show mercy. Their hearts are, and always will be, between His fingers. This is a parent's compass, the roadmap for the greatest jihad of our time, raising the next generation of the Ummah. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our first step next week, where we start with becoming the anchor they need. May Allah make this a source of benefit, ease your path, and make your children the coolness of your eyes.